In this video, we're going to look at the countdown timer mode on the Casio Module 3562 watch. This is the Tide and Moon phase Casio Illuminator. Works pretty similar to other Casio watches. You've got a countdown timer that has a maximum of 24 hours. To get to it, you're going to press the mode button. It's the bottom left button. We're going to press it 3 times. You'll eventually end up in a mode that has TR for timer. And then basically what you're looking at in here is you've got your current time. Mine's 1:22. You've got your timer value down here at the bottom. You still have your tide graph and you still have your moon phase. So that's kind of cool. Even in the timer mode, you can see that. Pretty simple. The all zeros is your maximum value. By default, when you get the watch, that's what it's set to. It's 24 hours. If I press the bottom right button, my countdown timer begins. You'll notice there's a countdown graph up here that represents 60 seconds. So as my seconds are counting down, that will continue to go around. I don't have to stay in the timer mode as with other Casio watches. I can press the mode button, I can go do something else. The countdown timer will be running in the background, but you can't see it unless you go back to the countdown timer mode. If I want to pause it, I can press the bottom right button and it's paused or stopped. If I wanted to resume it, I could resume. While it is stopped, if I wanted to reset back to my default, I can press the top left button, the adjust button, and it takes me back to my default. If you wanted to change your default, if you don't want a 24-hour timer, which I wouldn't think most people would, while you're in the timer mode, you're going to press and hold the top left button. You'll see your values start blinking here. You could use either of the 2 buttons on the right-hand side to adjust your hour value. I'm going to leave mine at 0. Actually, I need to set mine. Once you've got your hour set, you're going to press the mode button, bottom left button. It'll take you to your minutes. And then again, you can use either of the 2 buttons on the right to adjust your minutes. Once you've got that set the way you want, if you press mode again, it's going to take you to repeat. Do you want it to repeat? So basically, I've got it set for 1 minute. After 1 minute, if I have the repeat on, it will automatically, it'll go off, let me know that my timer is done, and then it will automatically start the timer again. You can toggle this on or off using the bottom right button. Press mode again, it'll take you back to your main setting. The thing I was trying to show you there is you don't have an option for the second value on it. It's just the minimum value has to be 1 minute. Once you've got your default set, we're going to simply press the top left button again, and now we've got a new default value. So if I start the timer, it starts from 1 minute. When I reset it, instead of it going to 24 hours like it did before, it's going to go to whatever default value we set. Pretty simple stuff. As always, when you're done, you can press the mode button a few times, get you back to your main timekeeping mode. You cannot press and hold the mode button to get you back. You have to press it. That's a look at the countdown timer on the Module 3562. As always, if the video helped, thumbs up are appreciated. Thanks for watching.